How to get rid of green triangle in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Green triangle means error in your sum. So you'll find green triangle in top left corner of your screen in your cell. Simply click on it and then you'll find this arrow. You'll find ignore error option or simply error checking option. If you don't want it, you can simply click on ignore error. After you click on ignore error, you will find no checking option. Simply the green triangle will be removed. And that's how to get rid of green triangle in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.